We've all seen it. Empty shelves, delayed shipments, services that don't deliver, not because people didn't care, but because something failed behind the scenes. You don't need to be in logistics to feel it. You just need to depend on a system, and these days we all do. Hi, my name is John Zelem, surgeon, consultant, and founder of Streamline Solutions Consulting, and author of the new book on supply chains, the process, and as a concept. In over 25 years of working with complex systems, medical, operational, executive, I've seen firsthand how things fall apart and why. The root cause isn't always a missing part or a broken tool. Often it's deeper. It's the people, the culture, the leadership, the mindset. Organizations struggle not because their processes are bad, but because they stop evolving. Leadership grows rigid. Culture turns protective. People dig in. Silos form, physically and mentally. Teams become territorial. Us versus them thinking replaces collaboration. And slowly, the chain begins to break. In part one of this book, The Invisible Chain, I'll walk you through these failures, real ones. We'll talk about stubbornness, misaligned leadership, broken communication, and the myth that every department can succeed in isolation. But they can't, and they don't. But then we'll go further. We move from supply chain as a process to supply chain as a concept, a mindset, a way of seeing your organization as a living, breathing system, interconnected, interdependent, and only as strong as its weakest link. The Invisible Chain isn't just a business book. It's a lens, a framework, a way to rethink how you lead, manage, and connect the pieces in your organization, no matter what that organization is. Right below this video, you can read the opening story. It's short, but it sets the tone. Because once you see the invisible chain, you can't unsee it. Thanks for watching, and let's rebuild the chain together.